This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over the reporting section of WaveRez today. So to navigate to reports, you would click on reports. Now you have a couple different options here. Sales report is going to give you a general revenue report. This is the most commonly used report. Promo code report will just give you a report on the promo codes used. Refund report will give you a report on the refunds. Payment, exactly as it sounds, report on the payments. An extra payment report. Extra payments are things like tips or deposits. An agent report, this will give you a breakdown of revenue per agent. So today we're just going to navigate to sales report. Now sales report pulls the information from the trips that are arriving within your date range, not the trips that are made within your date range. So you can go ahead and select a date, and we'll select the month of January so far. So you have a trip drop down, which you can select if you wanted to just pull the report for a specific trip, or you can keep it as all for all of them. Schedules, you can select each individual time if you wanted to, or a certain span of times if you wanted to pull the report just for those times. And that could be useful if you were offering like an early morning discount or something and you wanted to find out what that was revenue. Payment, this allows you to pull the report by payment options. So instead of getting all the payment options in one, you would get a report for each individual one or however many you selected. Equipment allows you to pull by different equipment if you want to find out the revenue for one specific boat or piece of equipment. Agent, this allows you to pull by online booking orders, trip shock orders, or each individual agent or multiple agents if you would like. And this just allows you to select different columns. If you don't want certain columns shown, then you can deselect them in here and select all the others. For the purpose of this report, we're just going to have to pull a full report and see if anything comes up. So I did generate this without canceled. You can include canceled if you would like to. Now you get an HTML or a PDF version. HTML version just formats differently than PDF. You can click on either one to get the report. And I've just opened the PDF report. So basically what happens is it shows you what you've selected. If there's any custom things you've selected, it will be listed here, but since this is pretty much an open report, it just gives us the date and agents all. So that's how you know it's just an open report. Parasailing is the only trip that we have had through that date range, and that was the schedule time, the equipment, the amount of tickets, the price, any discounts that were applied, taxes, surcharge, subtotals, with discounts, with taxes, and totals. So revenue, just the total revenue is brought in from the tickets, and then you can just see subtotal with tax and grand total. Payments collected, if you have cards, cash. Different cards are broken down by different types of cards, and then the cash or any other payment options, they would all be listed here. And if there were any tips collected, that would be listed here as well. So that's it for sales report. Basically every other report functions in a similar manner. They just have less selections. So promo code reports, refund report. Now refund report, as a side note, is a little different. Refund report doesn't pull the same way that sales report does. It pulls the refunds, so the transactions that happened in that date range, and not the trips that departed in that date range. So your refund report may be slightly different than your sales report. And that's pretty much it for reporting. That's a good general overview. And each one just has a specific function.